New look for the van for 2024. Wide body fenders. Happy New Year, friends. I hope you all are having a fun and safe one. Just want to take this time to thank you guys for such a great year. My content has been really van heavy in 2023. In 2024, I really want to add more variety to my channel. Still talk about the van. This year I really wanted to build up the hype for the lifted van meets, and I will continue to do that, but I will also add more content, more variety to my channel, because it's John Drives Anything, not just John Drives a Lifted Van. I plan on doing gym vlogs with my friends in 2024. Some nice trucks at the gym. I think most of my friends with the van do some form of working out, like hiking, weights, kayaking. I think that's a van guy thing to do. Be active.